Hemal here. I'm recording this October 12th night. So just a quick update. So no stimulus decision, and still market has its own mind. It continued to go up today. It's very strong day on Qs that track Nasdaq 100. As you can see, it was up 3.09% on a high volume. If you watched my video yesterday, or the last update before this, I was concerned about the low volume. So were a lot of other folks. So that really concern is alleviated by this high volume. Again, I would have thought that with no stimulus in sight, market will correct a little bit because it doesn't always have to go up. Well, which was not the case. So Qs continues to move up. Spiders had a good day as well, up 1.61%. So it's very close to all-time highs. Going to Qs, again, very close to all-time highs. And I covered yesterday in my video, or the last update, the monthly chart and what can happen. So you may want to review that video, the one prior to this. Small caps, let's see how they're doing. Again, a good day, 0.67%. Again, I was thinking this will probably correct. Now, futures are kind of lower. And again, we'll see what happens tomorrow. They can obviously turn. Futures now couldn't really mean anything. So, but again, I was thinking that IWM would, correct a little bit and then find a support at the 8-day EMA where it could provide somebody who wants to enter an entry. Now, it can just go sideways and 8 EMA can catch up, or it can still correct a little bit and then find a support at 8 EMA and then continue. Now, this is the all-time highs right there. So we'll see if this guy can make it to the all-time highs. Also, let me cover the ACWI. Now, this one is a core. So this one measures, it's a global equity, basically. It measures the world index. And if you can see, this is at all-time highs. So not only is US doing good, but the entire world index is also doing good. And then Dow, the same thing. So all the indexes are doing really good. Let me cover some of this indicator. So this is the indicator. This provides with the conditions in the market. So this is the percentage of stock above that 200-day moving average. So as you can see, the prior high that was that we hit, the all-time highs on in the market, was around this date right there. So you can see the number of stocks performing at that time was 49.68%, and now we are at 54. So it's a broader participation. So the breadth is better. Now let's also look at the absolute breadth, which is right here. Again, it is going in the right direction. So we want to see more participation if the bull market needs to continue and prosper. So you can see this trend line right here. So, at this point, historical precedence is it should go down because it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, as you can see. So we'll see what happens. So again, market can continue to go up, and at some point though, it will get extended if it already hasn't been. So it's not too far away from the 50-day moving average. So let's see what happens at the all-time highs. And then maybe it will just break through, create another high. Same thing with spiders. We'll see what happens there. And then we'll take our Q from there. So just wanted to cover this very quick. That's all I have. So again, I'm fully invested in my 401k account. Actually, I'm invested in all 3 major accounts that I have. But the 401k money that I put in on this day right here is still in. And if you can just look here approximately. So on an average, gain has been about 6%, 5 to 6%. Not bad. It's in last few days. So we'll see how this goes. As always, these are my thoughts. This is what I am doing. So you need to have your own investment routine. So again, do not blindly follow anyone, including me. You need to really have a plan of your own. So again, this is more so for sharing my thoughts on what I'm doing. You can consider it pretty much just educational and sharing. Okay. Have a great night. Take care. Bye-bye.